first thing I want you to do is when the next 5 minutes, I want you to fill out this table for other words. I'm going to write them at the top what this one is. This is less than. This does not count as a word that you get to do. And I need you guys to get at least 3 in every column. You can do this in 8 minutes. That'll be perfect. Get after it. All right, what are some words that you guys came up for less than?
Smaller than.
Smaller than, perfect. Fewer.
Smaller.
Smaller, littler, same idea.
Fewer.
Fewer, yep.
Tinier.
Tinier, same thing as littler.
Less.
Little less.
I don't know.
Little less, same thing.
A wee bit.
Yeah, less.
What about below?
Oh.
Like if I said that you like to do the limbo, you have to be below 4 feet. Can you be 3'9" and do the limbo? Yeah. Okay.
Bigger, larger.
All right. Anybody get anything else in this? Just a reminder, guys, I am recording this, so
Less. Oh wait.
that's the same thing.
That's it.
All right. What
I
about
have it on.
less than or equal to?
Minimum. Minimum. No more.
I heard at least.
Maximum.
And a maximum. Why is it maximum and not minimum? If I said a pizza is like the maximum price of a pizza is $10, are you gonna spend $10 on that pizza?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yes.
Are you gonna spend 11 on it? No. Yeah.
Well, no more words.
No more than, yeah, you will spend no more than $10 on a pizza.
I wrote that. You were laughing at me.
Anything else, guys?
No.
Anything else? All right. The one that I got that the other class didn't get either is does not exceed. You might see that today. Hint, hint. Does not exceed. So the price of a pizza does not exceed $10. Same thing. Okay. What is another word for greater than?
Bigger.
Bigger. Yep.
More than.
More than.
Large.
Larger and bigger, the same thing.
Above.
Darn it.
Above.
And we'll say larger and bigger. And I heard above. Okay?
Big bit.
We don't use above, hey guys, we don't use above and below very often, but it will pop up today, so I want to make sure that you guys know that. Greater than or equal to? At most, I agree with that statement.
A minimum.
Minimum, perfect, Sam.
No less. Say less.
No less. Anything else? Does exceed.
That's how I remember it.
Okay. Anything else you guys got? A wee bit.
For less.
But a wee bit is not very descriptive. Like a wee, it's not a very descriptive word.
We're actually.
Okay. All right, I want to talk about writing inequalities. We have these keywords that we just identified. A number means X. Okay? What does the word fewer than mean?
Less.
Less than, yep. 14 is just the number. So this one we get X is less than 14. Number 2, what does the word at least mean? Less than or equal to?
Yeah.
If you have to be at least 5 feet to ride this ride, Carly's not going to be able to ride the ride, but you have to be at least 5 feet. You can be 5 feet, but you have to be at least taller, or 5 feet or taller. Okay? So X is, oh, wait. Let's talk about, hey guys, if you have to be at least 5 feet,
5 feet or greater.
5 feet or greater. So we actually need to switch this up here. Our less than or equal to needs to be at most. And our greater than or equal to needs to be at least. So make sure you guys fix that. So this one becomes x is greater than or equal to 8. Little review from yesterday. If we were to graph this on a number line, would this be an open or a closed circle?
Close.
Why is it closed, Michael?
Because it's equal to.
Because it's equal to.
Wait, wouldn't it be
Yes, negative 8. There you go. All right, I want you guys to do 3 and 4 on your own.
I got it.
One. What does the word minimum mean?
Yeah, greater than
Greater than or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to 6 1/5. Brady, what does the word maximum mean?
Greater than or equal to, or less than.
Less than or equal to, so you get x is less than or equal to 8. Okay? Today we're going to get lots of practice on using those key words. All right, number 5. Many movie theaters give senior citizens discounts to people who are 65 and older. Write an inequality that describes who's eligible to receive the discounts. Ladies. Sam, what do you think? What inequality does this statement represent?
greater or less than or equal to.
So you're saying that x is less than or equal to 65?
Yeah.
So if
No,
I
no, greater than.
greater than or equal to, why?
Because they have to be over 65.
Can they be 65?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I want to go to the movie theater and I'm 65 years old, I'm going to get the discount. Okay. Number 6, distance. The distance Pizza Express will travel to deliver a pizza is no more than 20 miles. Write an inequality that represents this. Harper. For number 6, what's the inequality for that one over there?
More than. More than. Sheesh. Less than.
X is less than or equal to 20.
Yeah.
So will the pizza driver drive 19 miles? Will the pizza driver drive 20 miles? Will they drive 21?
No.
No. Okay. Good job. Scroll in. Go to the next page, please.
Oh.
All right, guys. We're going to do number 11 together, and then you guys are going to do 12 and 13 on your own. A number decreased by 4 is less than 14. What is my key word here, Jordan? Decreased? Yeah. What does decreased mean?
Greater. Or no.
Subtract.
To subtract, yeah. So in this case, we have a number, which is just x,
Yeah.
decreased by 4, so that's just right there, is less than 14. So we get x minus 4 is less than 14. Kaya, how do I solve this problem? Plus 4 on both sides, because it's a subtraction problem. Plus 4, I get x is less than 18. Do I have to flip my sign here? Why not, Gabe? Because it's not a negative. And the fact that we're adding and subtracting. We only flip the sign if we're multiplying and dividing by a negative. Okay? I want you guys to do 12 and 13 on your own. Go. All right, guys. The quotient of a number and negative 3 is more than 7. What's a key word here, Harper?
Quotient.
And what does quotient mean?
Division.
Division. So we have x over negative 3 is no more than. What does no more than tell us?
Greater than.
Is more than.
It's greater than.
Oh, is more than, sorry. Is more than, so it's going to be
Greater
greater than 7.
than.
Now we got to solve this. This is a division problem, so how do we get rid of division, Sam? Multiplication, I'm going to multiply both sides by -3. Multiply this side by -3. There should be a big thing being like, boop, boop, boop. Grady.
Then you just have to switch the greater than.
Yeah. We multiplied, hey ladies, we multiplied by a negative, so we have to flip our sign. So right now it's greater than, we have to make it to less than -20. 13, I think, gave some people some struggles. 5 times the sum of a number and 6 is no less than 35. Okay. What are some key words here, Candace? Times means multiplication. The sum means addition. Is no less than, what does that mean? Greater than or equal to 35. Okay? How am I setting up this left-hand side?
5 times
In parentheses.
5 times x in parentheses?
No.
No.
5 in the little dot.
No, you put in parentheses x plus 6.
Why is that, Gabe?
Because it says 5 times the sum, which is plus x.
Yeah. We have to do the sum first. And in order for us to do sum according to PEMDAS, we have to put it in parentheses, right? So now it is greater than or equal to 35. I'm going to do the distributive property. I get 5x plus 30 is greater than or equal to 35. Hey, gals. Subtract 30 from both sides. I get 5x is greater than or equal to 5. Michael, what do I got to do now?
Divide by 5.
Divide by 5. Divide by 5. I get x. Do I flip my sign?
No.
Why not?
It's not a negative.
It's not negative. 1. All right. I would keep this out, and we're going to hand out a worksheet for you guys to do.
Yeah.